Morning everyone, my name is Dylan and welcome to the MecadMinute. Today I'm going to be showing you guys some surface modeling tip. So I've noticed that a lot of guys don't use this tip. I'm going to be showing you guys how to trim using only a sketch. What I've noticed a lot of people do is they extrude a face or something and then try trim with that, and then they have to hide those faces afterwards. That's one way of doing it, but just in case someone didn't know what this, SOLIDWORKS does have this capability and it's very powerful. So I've gone ahead, I want to remove this and make some changes here. I've gone ahead and made a part where I can show this off. So in this model over here, you'll notice I've deleted all those faces, and I want to fill this face here. But because this is a fillet and it's arched, it's not, if I fill this, it's not going to give me a flat desired surface. So what I'm going to go and do is I've made this sketch on this plane that I've inserted, equal to the piercing point of this and the perpendicular relation. And if I edit the sketch and I go to the surfaces, I can say trim surface using the trim tool of this sketch and select the surface to remove. And when I say OK, it's going to remove the surface above that related sketch. And then I don't have to go and hide any additional faces or try and delete faces or have extra faces that weren't needed. I just have one simple trim surface feature. And then I can go and obviously do whatever I was going to do previously, extruding faces. I can also select this, make a plane on that. If I wanted to, in this case, sketch on that, convert this line, and do an extrude up to vertex, this vertex here. And now I would then be able to go very easily and fill this face here. But because I haven't got that arch anymore in the fillet, it'll fill it very smoothly. Same for this side, but also fill smoothly, and then I can go and knit all of my faces together, and I should have a very clean full surface. Guys, this has been the MecadMinute. Thank you so much. Please remember to subscribe and keep in touch for the next MecadMinute. Enjoy.